If you've been trading on UbitEx exchange and you are ready to withdraw your funds, whether it is to your personal wallet, your bank account, or another platform, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to ensure your withdrawal is smooth and secure. After all, having access to your funds whenever you want it and how you want it, it's all that matters. And this is what I have brought you today in this video. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to withdraw your funds without any hassles. Okay? Grab your cup of coffee, hit that like button, share with your family and friends, and let's dive in. Welcome back to WellPurse TV. If you're my returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you. Love you for always supporting your girl. And if you are seeing my face for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to WellPurse TV for all things financial independence. Share this video with your family and friends, turn on the bell notification, and let's get started with logging into our UbitEx account. All right, this right here is what UbitEx look like when you log into the interface. All right, you're right now on home. As you can see, home and crypto, future, trade, asset. All right, from your home, you want to navigate to the asset because you want to be able to access your fund as well as be able to withdraw your fund, right? So when you click on asset, you want to go up where you see overview, sport, future, you click on N. Okay? And this brings you to your N account. Right now, you're on your N account and your history, all right? If you look on my screen right now on this particular account, yesterday's earning is $43.616, which the equivalent is 16.9107 STUB. This is just yesterday. And guys, remember, you earn this on a daily basis. If you are not already trading this and you are interested, drop a comment below and I'll send you a link. All right, so this is what I earned on this particular account, $43 for yesterday. So now I know I have $43 and I want to withdraw. What's the next thing I want to do? You come down where you see product, you see asset name. Click on this asset name to see what you have here. Down here, you will see the equivalent or STUB 35 because this is for 2 days. I already withdrew money 2 days ago. All right, I'm going to show you on my history. But right now, what I have available to take out is $90, equivalent of 2 days earning. That's yesterday and the day before. All right, and this money comes in STUB, as you can see here, $90 under STUB. You want to move this STUB, you want to convert it to UB, the one right on top, because UB is the central token and is listed on about 6 exchanges now. So you want to convert this STUB to UB. My UB shows 00. I want to move this to UB, and that's your first step towards withdrawing. Click on convert. Before transfer, there's convert. Click convert here. Once you click on convert, it shows you STUB to UB, right? And all the amount you have, you want all your available amount. In my case, I have 35.10 STUB and I want to convert it to UB. So I'm putting that amount that I have, at 35.10. Okay? That's what I have. And I want to convert it to UB. All right? I click on convert now. Okay, here is your confirmation. They're asking me, am I confirming that I'm converting 35 STUB to UB? I click on confirm. That is step 1, converted successfully. Then you want to click on go to asset. You go back to your asset. Right now, under this asset name, you see the money is gone out. the STUB is now 0.0 is gone up to UbitEx. You see, now I have it under UbitEx, and that's 33.345 UB, equivalent of $86, right? Okay, now the next thing I want to do, step 2, is click on transfer. Remember, we just use convert to convert from STUB to UB. The next will be transfer by this side. Click on transfer. When you click on transfer, it brings you to this page. What you're going to be doing here, you're now transferring from my N account. Remember, we are assessing our assets on N account. We want to move it from N to sport. So I just click on toggle this place. You see my N is up, sports is down. And I'm confirming that I'm moving my UB from N to sport. All right. And under the asset name, remember, what we're moving is UB. So you click that open, you choose UB, and you want to click on all, because you have your options of putting in how much UB you want to move. But in my case, I'm moving all just to show you guys. You know, all is here, and I click on confirm. That's step 2, and you are done. Transfer success, right? Okay, so you want to go back. Now that we have moved our UB from N to sport, go to sport. Right here you have your UB. You can see under USDT, look directly beneath it, you see UbitEx, and this is what we just moved, 86.20. So right now what we want to do under this sport, it's for us to sell this UB to USDT. Okay, USDT is the coins you can easily transfer via your wallet to your personal account, your bank, to other exchanges where you can then cash them out to your personal account. All right. So now we have UB here, and our target is to sell it to USDT. You want to come down where you have home and crypto, future, trade. Click on trade. All right. When you click on trade, it brings you to this page. What do you do here? On that trade, first thing is you are on sport where your UB is already sitting, and you want to sell from UB to USDT, right? Make sure this is on sell, because you are not buying, you're selling. Click on sell. And then limit order is if you're limiting the how much you want to sell for your price. But in this case, I'm choosing the market order because I want to sell for what is obtainable in the market. As soon as you choose the market order, you already chosen sell market order. The next thing you want to do is switch this all to the end. That tells you that you're selling everything you have, right? And you are filling it for that USDT. Remember, you're selling UB for USDT. You're selling UB. You are now exchanging for USDT, right? Okay, so just double checking. You already clicked on sell. You've chosen your market order. This right here is showing USDT. Remember, we're selling, UB. So everything is UB, all right? And here, we're checking it all the way because we have 33.37 UB and we are selling everything, right? Click on sell and it's confirming. Are we selling our UB in exchange for USDT? You want to click on confirm. Order placed successfully, right? Go back to your asset. Go to your sport. Right now I'm on sport. If you see, our UB is gone out, is gone to USDT. The reason we're seeing this C71 is that I have about 500 there prior to selling my USDT. So this right here is what you will have in your sport. And as you can see, this amount on my sport right now, I can take it out. As you just sold your UB to USDT, here is sitting on your sport account ready to go out. All right. And going out means you want to do withdraw, right? You have the option to transfer to another UBIT trader or user, like someone like me. I can transfer internally to you. But we are talking about withdrawal, deposit withdrawal. So you click on withdraw. All right. What are you withdrawing? USDT. This is all I have right now available for me to take out. So I click on it. You know, when you click on it, you have two options. This is on-chain transfer to your wallet. This is internal transfer to any other Ubit user if you want that. If you need more information about that, leave me a comment below and I will do another tutorial to show you how to do that internally. But we are talking about withdrawing your money so that you can have access to your USDT, to your exchange, and then be able to cash them out, right? So you want to click on this on-chain transfer. Click on on-chain transfer. It brings you here. You are withdrawing your USDT, right? Address under here, you're going to be pasting the address of your exchange. Say, for instance, if you have a Bybit, you then go to your Bybit, get the address for USDT of receiving USDT and come place it right here on the address. Copy it and come here, do paste. It sits right here. The network right here that you're going to choose the network that you know it's also available on your Bybit. We're just using Bybit, for instance. If you're doing Coinbase, Crypto.com, choose the same network. You know, you have Tron, you have BN Smart Chain, you have Tron, TRC20, you have Ethereum. Okay? For now, if I want to do it right now, I'm choosing Ethereum, you know, because even though it's more expensive, but, you know, every exchange has it. So you want to make sure that this network is the same network on your Bybit Coinbase wallet, and then your address, you paste it right on top here. Okay, after you have done that, you put your withdrawal amount. If I want all this out right now, just click on all, everything come here. If I don't want, I can choose to just do, say, 500. Okay, and that's what I want. I'll still have, when I take out 500, I'll have about 171 left, and that's it. See what is showing me, receive quantity. This is what I'm gonna be receiving soon as I click on withdraw. But if I click on withdraw now, it's not gonna go because I do not have that address. Okay, which I'm telling you guys, if you have, depend on your exchange, get your address and paste here. As soon as you paste your address, you just click on withdraw, and that's it. Let me know if you have any questions or any issues with this. I'm more than happy to walk you through again or do additional video to explain further. And there you have it, simple, quick, and secure. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss out on any video. If you have questions or you run into issues with your withdrawals or you need more practical guide, drop comments below. I'm always here to help. Until next time, stay safe and happy trading.